Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And guys, today we're discussing a tutorial on how to connect AirPods to an Xbox One. Now, before you leave a bunch of dislikes on this video, let me just clearly explain to you, because I've made videos on this in the past. Xbox One does not have a built-in Bluetooth setting. They don't have Bluetooth at all on the Xbox One console right now. PlayStation does. So this tutorial is a 100% workaround. This is not a direct solution, as Xbox, as I said earlier, does not have Bluetooth built in, so there's no first-party way to actually connect AirPods to an Xbox One. So keep that in mind while I'm going through this tutorial. This is a workaround. So this means that there is no setting within Xbox that I'm going to show you right here that is going to magically connect your AirPods to your Xbox One. This is all a workaround revolving around optical audio and a Bluetooth transmitter. Now, most tutorials on YouTube are doing this right now. So I'm going to show you on Amazon right now a device that can allow you to connect your AirPods to your Xbox One. It's not that expensive, and it does the trick. It uses the same sort of technology that if you were to plug this into a television and use headphones for it, it's the same kind of thing. You're taking that audio from your Xbox, that optical audio specifically in the back of the console, the SPDIF port, taking that audio and you're transmitting it to your headphones via Bluetooth. So it's the same thing for AirPods, and I'm going to show you on screen now what you actually do. Okay guys, so we are back and we are Amazon.com. So this is the device I'm going to be referencing. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below if you guys want to go check this out. As I said earlier, please do not dislike this video, as this is a workaround, please don't get triggered. So here we have the HomeSpot Bluetooth transmitter for TV audio, low latency wireless audio adapter for headphones, Bluetooth 4.0, no lip sync digital optical stream, Toslink SPDIF, as I mentioned earlier, two devices simultaneously. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but that's there. So as you can see here, this is a optical audio cable, SPDIF, and here's the transmitter itself. Just got some lights on it and stuff. It's made by a company called HomeSpot. Now it is $35.99, so it's not that cheap, but if you guys are willing to spend the money, you can use your AirPods on your Xbox One. Now, they do also make Bluetooth transmitters for the controller. So you know how like on the bottom of the Xbox One, you have the controller with the headphone jack in it. They have a transmitter that takes that 3.5 millimeter jack and is sending out a Bluetooth signal to connect your AirPods or Bluetooth headphones on. So that's another way you can do it. Another solution that I've seen on the internet is connecting it via your phone, but that's not actual Xbox audio, that's just party chat. So it is possible if you want to just use the app and use party chat, you can use your AirPods for that, but this is to actually get game audio out of it. So as I said, Bluetooth transmitter. I mean, it also comes with the 3.5 jack as well. So as you can see here, dude's holding his baby, watching his television, using optical audio transmitter. TV is coming out through the optical audio, going to the transmitter, and it's going to his headphones. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is what comes in the box. I don't know why they have AV cables. Those are like so outdated, but they also have 3.5, a warranty card, yada, yada, yada. And here's the Bluetooth transmitter. So guys, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. If you want to pick this up, I'd recommend it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. Also, guys, I do podcasting. Go check out the Life and Easy podcast. That's always linked in the description below under our Anchor. You can find us on Spotify, iTunes, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, and Anchor's website specifically. So you guys are interested in technology-related podcasts, I'd highly recommend that. You can also subscribe to my second channel, Gaming Made Easy, down linked in the description below. So thank you so much for guys watching this video. Hope it brought you some value and you learned something interesting. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.